This is buffet lunch here in Thailand. There we have to go and get our food. We have to serve ourselves. So here are all the food. These are all the food that they are serving today. Wow, very very yummy. Here are the sauces. They all look so yummy. These are all their sauces, their vegetables. There's different sauce. Here is my family. They're all in lines taking food. And here are the other food here. More food, more food.
Pass the rice.
There is more food. And there is more. This is the rice. I'm the last one to get more food. I will get my food now. This is the rice. This is my plate. Where did you get the spoon? Ito. I see.
Napasubok lang.
That's why I'm asking. I'm trying to get my food. Tipid na sa patito. Tayo na ako. There is my food. Trying to get my food here because this is a buffet. They offered, this is what they offered to our trip.
Ooh, look at that.
Salad kami ano ito? Hanghang. Agad.
Sorry. Green curry. This is green curry.
This is my food now. There is the kind of food that we are getting. This is, you get a little bit and the sauce. I think this is curry. This is curry, I guess. And this is the vegetable. I want to try this. Thank you. And this one, I want to try a piece of it. Just get one piece. I will try the sauce. I think this is chili sauce.
Spicy ba yan?
This is my food. This is a buffet. It's a buffet. You gonna eat also? You eat also. Dito, Met. Now I'm starting to eat my food. There's our driver. He is checking on us. This is their salad.
Excuse me, photo please. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
You want photo?
What?
Do you want photo?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Oh, I see. Yeah, you got her.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did I say?
Do you want me to take a photo of it?
Her food is so good.
Siyempre, the original.
1, 2.
It's all original. It's a bit spicy, but I love it.
Ooh, spicy.
1, 2. 1.
You got it also. Ano?
Kung alat na pitakan.
Nakakapela.
May alam na. May nabak. Pag tayo di pinag.
Ano yun?
Pag
The recipe is good. I like. It's spicy, but it's good. This is the.
what you eat?
Ano mo yan ito ah?
Apple juice. Apple juice. Ano mo yun? Sabi na mo. Water. Tayo pa naman tamtak.
Kasi ito ang bibig na ako na very spicy na.
Tamtak. Oh my God.
No rush meat, di ba? I like the lemon flavor. Lemon flavor, I love it.
Still. Tama ka na ito. Very spicy. Ayun na. Ayun. Ay! Siyapa. Thank you.
My niece is so nice. She's serving us drink. She went to get it for us.
Pagbuka na pakto.
Naanam humangan na gapon ha. Tauhan. Tukon iyo ganihaan naman.
Chapstick pwede ah.
Pipinodan to pa buyaon ito. Diyan ni tsaka liwag ate ko.
Ito maya.
First time ko pa man ang mga news to patigo. Mostly adi og gani patigo ko mga non ag impati. For the first time lang ang mga ang patigo.
Spicy.
Pwede nga to.
Ako nga gusto eh.
Dapat islowly ina kung
Yung bibig ay ito ang naturo. Bagan ko rin.
some food are spicy. But I like the spicy food.
Salad.
This is a nice restaurant. In front of them is this big building, very good.
Same part. Big building. It's obviously big.
I want to eat slowly so I can enjoy the food.
May ba kaya apa? Tayo pot nga na mambuya.
Hindi. Ako lang to. Pwede ka lang yan ang survivor. Ano?
Nakalagyan na
Survivor.
sa iyo. Paliming detail. Halim ka lang na building.
Ba't siya pisundan siguro?
Ang saying.
Anthony Bagoy. Enjoy ang ano ng buka namin.
Di ay. Pwede. Ito ah. Kapit na. Ng cherry. Oh my God. Yeah.
My sister is there on the other table. My sister is there on the other table. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. I need to eat. I need to concentrate eating. Bye.